one of the things that really took off was Sania's comments on being a woman and playing tennis at the top. I think that is something that has really caught on for women in this country. She's an icon not just for young people but for older people as well, and definitely for every kind of woman in this country.
People do not achieve what she's achieved, even if they have to be born in 3 lifetimes.
So, Sania runs a tennis academy herself.
Why do you want to encourage competition? Akeli chalo.
Because I'm not going to be like how you are acting for the last so many years and be number one. I cannot be.
Struggle to bhai karna hai. I don't think anyone has made it without a struggle. So all the people who have not made it have never struggled.
I think we should think.
Most.
This makes it worth it. I mean, I just want to say that this makes it worth it, and you being here makes it worth it. So thank you so much.
This is something else.
Salman, tell us, do you ever get the time and do you take out time to watch Sania's matches?
Ooh, सच बोलना है.
I watch every game of this. Every game of this.
Everything I have achieved, I'm getting nervous. I have achieved on the tennis courts in the last decade is only half the story. In this book, I hope to recreate the other half as well. The stories of years of struggle, of the methodical planning and single-minded dedication of Team Sania, the countless sacrifices, especially those made by my family, the pain and the heartache, the shedding of sweat and blood, interspersed with priceless moments of exultation and glory. All this and more went into the making of a multiple Grand Slam champion and the #1 player in the world.
Yeah.
For the rest, you have to buy the book and read.
When are we expecting your autobiography?
Oh.
There's another
I
question.
think I'll take my story to my grave.
Well, I think that is obviously good, right? Isn't that what we all want? We want more girls, more women to come forward. I think 10 साल पहले बहुत मुश्किल हुआ करता था कि हम ऐसे 3, 4, 5 लड़कियों या औरतों का नाम ले who have been exceptional at different sports in our country. But I think now we have Mary Kom, we have a Saina Nehwal, we have PV Sindhu. We have so many girls doing so great, and I think that shows that how forward we've come. But is there room for improvement? Of course, there's always room for improvement.
जैसे बुक का नाम है एस अगेंस्ट ऑड्स, उसका मतलब यही है कि नो मैटर हाउ मेनी ऑड्स आर स्टैक्ड अप अगेंस्ट यू, आप फिर भी उस पर एस मार सकते हैं. लिटरली उसका मतलब ये है. एंड आई थिंक चाहे मेरा करियर जो कुछ मैंने अचीव किया हो, लेकिन जब मैं #1 इन द वर्ल्ड बनी, वो मेरे लिए ऐसा इमोशन था या पॉइंट था जिसे मैं बयान नहीं कर सकती. उसको शायद मैंने बुक में भी बराबर बयान नहीं किया होगा, क्योंकि मैं नहीं कर सकती, क्योंकि वो जो इमोशन था, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू एक्सप्रेस हाउ आई फेल्ट एट दैट पॉइंट. I felt like a movie in front of me of my whole life play in a moment of 60 seconds, and I felt joy, I wanted to cry, I wanted to laugh, I wanted to do every emotion together at once, and that to me was the favorite part.
Future. What the future holds and what you have planned for the future. ये आपकी स्मार्ट मतलब है.
Is this an interview? लेकिन फ्यूचर में अभी मैं बहुत नज़दीक का फ्यूचर देखती हूँ. तो मेरा नज़दीक का फ्यूचर ये है कि मैं 22 तारीख को एक इवेंट करके प्रैक्टिस करके प्लेन पकड़ के कनाडा जाऊंगी और वहाँ से ओलंपिक्स जाऊंगी. अभी फ़िलहाल मेरे फ्यूचर में इतना ही है. उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह देखते हैं कि कहाँ ज़िंदगी लेगी. आई मीन who knows what's gonna happen. We don't know what's gonna happen.